Present day. Present time.
Okay, let's say that you want to download torrent files, but even though you legally downloaded a Ubisoft game, that it's legal, wink wink, and you know, you want to be able to download torrent files without being tracked and having some privacy. Well, I got the video for you guys. So let's go on to it. So, me personally, I use ProtonVPN. But if you go to the Discover store, where the heck is Discover? Um, I use ProtonVPN, as I said in the past, but if you noticed, ProtonVPN hasn't been updated. Last time I used it, it hasn't really been updated in a while. So I really don't really use this anymore. I use a different one. That's the GTK version. So if you go to Padu, so let's say Padu, it's gonna matter in a second. Just give it a second. I know I kind of go. So I use this GTK one that's constantly updated. It's maintained by the community, but it's maintained. The other one, last time I checked, it wasn't maintained in a while, so I stopped using it. So how does this make sense? Well, let me explain. So I got qBittorrent here downloading Metal Gear 3, a complete legal version. We don't condone piracy in this community. Anyway, and this right here, you can make it private really easily, actually. So if you go right where is it? Where is it? So if you go to advanced network interference, and boom, I got it set to Proton. Depends on what freaking VPN you have. You might have to check. So you want to type this command. So if you put IP ADDR, you will get whatever your VPN has. And in my case, it's right here. It says Proton O right here in this area, Proton O. And that's how I'm going to go back to qBittorrent. And I'm going to go into preference and I'm going to choose this. And this will make it where every torrent I download is actually going to be private. So what does it do exactly? Okay, let's explain what it does. So you're asking the question, what does it exactly do? So ProtonVPN Pro pretty much includes this feature called port forwarding. Normally, when you connect through a VPN, all your traffic is hidden behind the VPN server, NAT wall, NAT wall. I don't know how to pronounce it. NAT firewall. I'm gonna call it that. It pretty much protects you, but it also means that other peers on the network can't directly reach your torrent client, so you can connect out, but inbound connections get blocked pretty much. So it's safe. Port forwarding, it fixes by opening specific ports on the VPN server and mapping it back through the encrypted tunnel to your device. That way, peers on the BitTorrent song can connect to you directly instead of only relying on ongoing requests. So the result is more peer connections, healthier swarm participants, and faster downloads and upload speeds while keeping your real IP hidden. So yeah, don't know what to tell you. Stay safe and don't download anything pirated. Wink. Anyway, so this is how you do it the safe way while having EA or Ubisoft knocking on your door. Or Nintendo. I was kidding. We're not doing anything illegal. This is for educational purposes, okay? Anyway, if you like this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, as always, stay spooky, stay weird, and bye. Bye. I don't know. Adios. Just roll clip or something.
Do you know what that smells like?